Hey everyone, my name's Andrew Reeves-Hall. I just received in the post today a Vodafone Wi-Fi broadband router, and I thought I'd unbox it with you, show you what's inside, share the experience with you. So let's get in. So it comes in a nice brown box. Open it up. Get a dispatch notice, I guess that's what that is. Yep. Side. So first thing to see in here is what's in the box. I rather like that actually. Let's get that out. There we go. So what's in the box? We've got a Vodafone Wi-Fi Hub, a setup guide, safety information, a microfilter, internet cable, white and red, LAN WAN cable, white and yellow, blue, and a power adapter. So, yeah, there's a photo of what's inside on the front. Serial info, looks like the Vodafone logo. That's really nice, I must say. I compliment on putting that in there so you open it up and you see what's in the box rather than just a picture. That's really a nice touch. Okay, shall we open it up and see what's in there? Scissors at the ready. Peel me first before opening. Well, I'll just cut you. Let's have a look. So we have an instruction book here, connecting your hub to the internet using a phone socket or a fiber connection box. So lots of instructions there. Let's flip open. Vodafone Broadband setup guide and a product safety information. So quickly, let's go through the product information safety guide. Yep. All good. Excellent. Vodafone Broadband setup guide. Nice pictograms for how to set it all up. Lovely. I'll check on that one later. I want to see what's inside. So there's the box itself. Nice Vodafone logo on the front. Hold up with the tab. Ugh. No plastic. I noticed. You notice that? No plastic around it. That's a really nice touch, I would say. Save a bit for the environment. So a lovely box with Internet, Tel 1, Tel 2, USB, 4 LAN, a WAN, a power connector, and off-on reset button. And it looks like you can hang it on the wall if you want to. So that must be, yeah, you undo a couple screws here and you can just hang it on the wall. A hidden USB port. I wonder if you can set up that for a 4G USB. That'd be nice. Yeah, so a really sleek looking box. On the top, a Wi-Fi button and a WPS button for connecting your Wi-Fi. That looks sleek. Alright, let's just put that to the side here. What else is in here? So we've got our cables. There's the power adapter with the UK power. That's great. A microfilter and a WAN cable. So let's have a look, see, make sure we got everything that we promised. So let's see. Power adapter, LAN WAN cable, internet cable, microfilter, yep, got that. Setup guide, safety information, and the hub. It's all in there. Fabulous. Next thing, plug it in. Thanks everyone. Bit of fun there. My name is Andrew Reeves-Hall. Hope you enjoyed this. Enjoy.